Welcome back. Today we're cutting straight to the point. What's the difference between investing and trading? The simplest answer is time horizon. Investing is a marathon, long-term, patient wealth building. Trading is a sprint, short-term, active profit generation. If you're just starting out, understanding this difference is the single most important step. Let's look at the goals and methods. The investor's goal is wealth accumulation over years, even decades. They buy assets they believe are fundamentally great businesses and let compounding do the work. The key methodology is fundamental analysis. They study a company's financials and growth prospects. They focus on time in the market and ignore short-term volatility. It's the lower risk, more passive approach. If your goal is retirement or generational wealth, investing is your core strategy. The trader's goal is active cash flow by capturing short-term market momentum. Positions are held for hours, days, or weeks. The key methodology is technical analysis. They study charts, patterns, and indicators to predict the next price move. They are active pilots, constantly managing risk. Why choose this high-intensity route? Because trading offers unique advantages. 1. Potential for quicker returns. 2. Profit in both directions. You can short sell when prices fall. 3. Use of leverage, amplifying your market exposure. This approach offers flexibility and high liquidity. If you have the time, the discipline, and a high-risk appetite, trading offers the potential for faster profits. So, which is right for you? It depends on your time, your risk tolerance, and your goals. Many people do both, investing their core savings and actively trading a portion of their capital. Whichever you choose, you need a strong platform. Click the link below to open a free IFC Markets demo account and start practicing your strategy. Risk-free. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.